my wife got a kitchen set, a toy set from IKEA. So we're gonna build the kitchen set, and you can just kind of watch along. All right. Alright, so the kitchen set is finished. Just FYI, I want to talk about some of the installation. When you got the box, you will see a bunch of this. Do not use a knife to cut it open. Well, I mean, if you do need to use it, just make sure that you cut it very lightly. I would just start cutting from the side first before you go into the center, because there are some boards in here. If you go in too deep, you might scratch the boards. Anyway, some of the tools you will need. This is a Phillips screwdriver that you definitely need. They do provide you with some tools. This is the extra with all the parts that we use. This one was the last one that it was just by itself, like it was extra. Now they do provide you with this little tool to screw in some of the screws. If you do need more leverage, they provide you with this thing, so you can extend it out a little bit more. So as you can see here, there's more room for you to turn the nut in. Alright, so here is the kitchen set itself. As you can see, it's pretty neat. Like some of the stuff you can actually turn and make noise. So yeah, just like the oven. You open it up. Oh, this fell off. So that's the pizza. You can also open up just like a storage unit. Now all this came separate. We actually purchased them separate. So yeah, the kitchen set doesn't come with any of this pizza with the basket or anything of that sort. So here is the kitchen sink. This can be removed and this can turn, and so is the faucet itself. And here is where the cooking will happen. Well, the reason why we get the kitchen set is because our baby like to watch us cooking. So instead of him hanging around in the kitchen, we just let him have his own little kitchen. Some of the things you do want to make sure of is this board. The black side needs to face out. So make sure that you don't mix up on the color. So this board, you can write stuff on top. Yeah, it's pretty neat. This is the kitchen set for kids. Alright, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye!